2023 award bi ekoso award ne radio TV personality ye nuaba Dolores Frimpong mason wono na fire onsa ye wonwa Dolores na fa sa award na no ono ankasa kra no woni nhyiamu na ase obi ne kogire mu ejima no na ho nsam aba black rasta so chance say sa award na ye de ma delay no ensem fatase ye de ma no na ma menka nkrofo ana ka ho wo mu nyina gira ya mo pesa award ya delay ensa kan ye Brigido to ka ho na mama Mark Brown ka ho bi se wa ami here wo hyemu bi chese kuku damfo pa hyemu a na chese wo mu nyina praise award ye na de na delay fire black rasta say delay wiemu wo wiemu wo sime wo tuatua ye delay jensi akire edisika bremu na chese wiemu na delay wiemu na award ne pa dia ye hwemu pa dia obo no ho modern pa dia anka ye delay na wo say ye demand award we demand na chese delay wo disika sem any some of bia bremu ye yitina ye this award amano mayankofa black rasta enchiremu emra.
Oh, to the point that it's not funny.
I get back to so about say awards, voting, whatever they are,
yeah,
all based on usika award.
Yes,
but your friend say obi between evo to ama your friend say nipa also deserve.
Yes,
no be free tree.
Yes,
aba no ababa betia 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 year okay. No obi ababa betia near pega award no e dia man abra 1 year juma bi.
That's right. Or yeah, possible.
Or
yeah, very possible. And I think organizers sometimes they say, oh, some artists came here trying to bribe their way through or they skate to be able to, get the people to bring their award to this person. Or a human institution, so at the bribery day, you can't take that away. But what I'm concentrating on is say, it is true that as it stands right now, people are still paying to vote. It won't happen in America. It won't happen in England. Look at awards here, this big award, Grammy. Nobody pays to vote. Or your industry people, we call them peers, industry peers. Over outer, they sit together and say, hey, Fifi, Charlie, Fifi, Charlie, why dread? Charlie, or a dangerous guy. Last month, the whole of the month, this was what he did. And the young voting man. Then some other people will come together and say, okay, we support this movement. And Fifi wins it. Nobody has to pay money in order to vote. And this is what I'm trying to change. But some people, they make money from it. Once or making money from that thing, difficult for them to accept, say, what Black Rasta is saying is, and they return all the awards with packaging nicely, beautiful packaging, wrote a letter and added, said, thank you for the award, but no, I realized, said, in fact, I have to pay for this award and pay. Any award that has to deal with paying to vote, Black Rasta see on pay. Don't nominate me in any award. It doesn't matter whether it's Ghana, it's in Mali, and Kenya, anywhere in the world. Once people are paying to vote, if you want the public to partake, why don't you go out to Ashama and say, okay, first 100 people, I'm going to interview them. These 4 people for the drive time, who deserves it? Mr. A, say, this person, free. Or let them even vote for free. Even that has a problem. Because right now, it's the youth that are going right there into the social media. The older ones, so they are not on social media, so it will limit them in a way. But going out onto the field like they used to do in the days, or better for me. But to make people pay money to vote, or you're stealing. And for me, they are giving the award to the highest bidder. It's corrupt. It's terrible. So I return every award. Some of them some of them didn't even have the courtesy to write back and tell me, say, well, Black Rasta, we have knowledge received of you, blah, blah, plenty. We wish you all the best. Nothing. None of the media houses wrote to me. RTP. Because of me, RTP finally cancel reggae category. That tells you how huge Black Rasta is. Yes. The reggae category was there from its inception. The moment I pulled out and said, don't nominate me again, Munji, I respect Makay, me Penasem, I know what he has done for reggae, but principle is principle. Me the award no coin, and I gave it to them and said, "Munji mo award no." The following few weeks, no, they cancelled the reggae category because Black Rasta RTP. So Black Rasta is not in the reggae category. So there, it's not reggae anymore. It be a re, and I say gay, but reggae no di ayira. That tells you how huge an elephantine this guy is. You see, do the right thing so that we will support you. I don't mind if I don't win, but do it the right way. You see this. Award for no, or you're so irresponsible, a lot of them to the point say, when you don't win the award and everybody knows that it's Fifi who's supposed to win the award, or will always one excuse, oh, his fans didn't vote. And the responsibility or shift responsibility and the blame no to the fans. Nobody knows how many fans voted. You sat in your office to say, oh, Asoriba, 20 fans voted, Mensa, 10 fans voted, and so on and so forth. It's sad. Or you're very, very sad. And I look at some of these things and I'm like, hey, what is happening? You see, oh yeah, irresponsible behavior.
Making a serious point.
Oh yes, let the board sit down. Boarding, if you want, you can change the board time and again. Any board member who is affiliated to a certain artist, don't include them. Go into their backgrounds. And then they will take responsibility. If Fifi is supposed to win and he doesn't win, let the board come out and say, well, we didn't choose Fifi because of A, B, C, D. Then that way, there's some common sense as to some responsibility. But to come out and tell us every year there, oh, one voting. So I saw it on TV. See, over out, I say, did you vote? I remember Miss Na, did you vote? Did you vote? Did your fans vote? And it is almost on every beauty contest, or they'll vote, talent contest, or they'll vote. Almost everything on TV, on radio now is all about voting. Is it about the talent, or it's about the highest bidder? Some people even have sponsors, or discount, 100,000. I remember when we were doing RTP. Why RTP almost came to an abrupt end there? It came to a time delay. Delay was part of it. We were 10 at the end. And she remembers it. She would always say, she had sponsors who were paying. Delay in her sponsors. She was the only female paying and voting. Because that it was paid. Me, Rastaman, I mean, you know. I couldn't get anybody to sponsor me. My boss, who is now for tourism, Minister of Tourism, no, GTA, Ghana Tourism Authority, Mr. Ajimai. I said, oh, Black Rasta, and then they may vote on the phone, voted 5 years. I'm voting 5, it's 5 years. People are voting 20,000 Ghana, 50,000, voting 5. Who can say why are they? Oh, yeah, she. That was what was happening, and delay used to shift people into the studio.
Say Ejumadin de obi aye bi em say delay wa ye Ejumadin no de agi award no nti wo ka kra agi awie delay ana ye ba otu makra ku entwa